In physics, there is a concept known as the potential barrier, an energetic wall that, according to classical calculations, should be impossible to cross. Yet quantum mechanics reveals something astonishing. The wave does not obey the rigid certainties of linear logic. It vibrates, oscillates, and sometimes crosses the impossible. This phenomenon is called quantum tunneling. The metaphor that emerges from this principle is profound. In life, too, we encounter walls, pain, illness, loss, fear, crises that seem absolute. The limited gaze, bound to deterministic rules, concludes there is no way out. But just as the quantum wave finds a passage where classical physics predicts only blockade, the human being, guided by consciousness and faith, can cross inner and outer walls. Here science meets spirituality. Jesus taught, "If you have faith the size of a mustard seed, you will say to this mountain, 'Move from here to there,' and nothing will be impossible for you." Matthew 17 verse 20. The words of Christ anticipate, in symbolic language, the same logic of tunneling. No matter the height of the mountain or the density of the barrier, there is always a probability, even if small, of transcendence. Faith acts as a field of coherence, illuminating the invisible tunnel that ordinary sight cannot perceive. Consciousness, in turn, plays the role of the quantum observer, collapsing possibilities, directing the flow, opening portals where others see only walls. In this way, the barrier is no longer an absolute obstacle but a gateway to transformation. Quantum tunneling, therefore, is more than a physical phenomenon, it is a universal archetype. It reminds us that the impossible is merely calculation without faith. Science shows us probability, faith and consciousness show us the path. And when both converge in the human heart, the mountain moves, the wall dissolves, and the impossible reveals its true nature, an invitation to cross beyond ourselves. Dr. Antonio Ricardo Nahas, Ph.D.